Happy birthday to Davido. Netizens, celebrities celebrate Davido today, guys. Davido was born on the 21st November 1992 in Atlanta, Georgia by his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Adedeji Adeleke. In celebration of his birthday today, Davido announced that he will be donating 300 million naira to orphanage, to the less privileged, and he will state as the money will be disbursed. So today being the 21st of November 2024, Davido completes 32. He is 32 years old. Man, don't they old oh, graciously. Sarah Martins, Judy Austin's ex bestie, Eniola Badmus. So many people, guys, will keep on watching. Let me walk you through. So this person is the son of one of Davido's friends who lost his life, I think, last 2 years. And ever since then, Davido took the responsibility of taking care of him, sending him to school, his welfare, and everything, all on Davido. So on this day, he said, Dad, I'm writing this from the bottom of my heart. Keeping a promise is one of the hardest things in life. You promised to help me since I lost my father. You never rejected me. You loved me just the way a father should love his. Every video of us, you always saying, my son, Dad, my father would be so grateful for all you do for me. I love you so much. There was a day I was so broken, but when we spoke, he didn't just solve my issue, he spoke to me. My son, hope you really good. These words are so genuine and lovely. Happy birthday to my father's friend. Someone who cares, someone who loves me, to a father, to a legend, to a humble hearted man, to a gifted man, to a talent man, to a very handsome man, no cap, to someone who his smiles can save his soul, no cap. I love you so much. I love everything you love. Enjoy your day, your year, everything about you. Enjoy it. Almighty Father in heaven, please bless him with your love, your grace, and your mercy, and fill his life with your goodness and your light. My dad, feel your presence in his life, guiding him along the path of righteousness. Wow. Amen. Double amen to that beautiful prayer. Now listen to Uche Maduagwu as he celebrates Davido today. Sham cham, my cham cham.
Ọlọ́jọ́ ìjọkọ̀rẹ́ hey, happy birthday to Davido, the husband of my chum. I don't talk say I go share one secret wey I don't know about Davido for him birthday. Let me tell you what you don't know. You have been asking, why is Davido the richest singer in Nigeria? Let me tell you why. Now because him they pay tithes. Some people say, how do I know? In Papa they give 1 billion to church. Let me tell you, lion no fit born goat. Davido is paying tithes in church. That's why he's the richest. Davido generation no fit poor again, no. Dem no fit poor again. The last birthday wey him do, he give 250 million to charity. This one now wey he wan do, he say he go give 300 million naira to charity. That's how much? 550 million. Abeg, how many Nigerian singers, both in Sambisa Forest spiritually, don't ever achieve am? We are not ready in this country. We are not ready. I know some of you now go think say, I'm praising Davido now because I need money. No, I make money don't make me. I make money don't make me. Listen to me. You know, say if I begin support person, just the way I dey support my queen me. If I begin support person, now so I don't need anything from you.
Uche Maduagwu na character. My chum chum, my pin me. Is when he always shakes down his head. My shum and roll his eyes. Hey, voila. So this one is coming from Vance. Abi? Vance. She's the daughter of Polo Iyabojo's man. She said, Happy birthday to a great brother and an amazing friend, Davido. May this new year bring you more success, endless joy, and blessing beyond measure. Keep shining and inspiring the world. the world with your talent and generosity. Here's to celebrating you today and always. Cheers at Davido. This one is coming from Folashade Adeleke, Davido's cousin. She said, insults from people that haven't eaten and are begging for credit. Hook no enter. Chief replied and said, how can you be politician's child and you are broke, shaming Nigerians as how? Voila. Today what? Today voila eh? He choke. Eniola Badmus said, happy birthday to my brother from another mother at Davido. You are not just a friend, you are family. Here's to celebrating you, your awesomeness, and all the incredible memories we have shared. Wishing you a year full of laughter, success, and all the happiness you deserve. Cheers to many more adventures together. Oriade. Official Sarah Martins said, happy birthday 001. God's blessing on you, better person. May God continue to protect you, project you, preserve you, and direct you always. We, the original 30BG gang, dey for you. Shepe at Davido, faith for life. You see, in all these celebrations, even the one that I did not put here, if you go to their write-ups, there is one thing that is in common: generosity, which you cannot take away when it comes to Davido. His generosity is next to none, top notch, and which is why God is blessing Davido. Hmm. That see, you see, gifting, kindness. Give, it shall be given unto you, double measures. If you understand the secret of giving, my dear, you go learn how to give. I've never seen a giver that lacks in one way or the other. Something must always come through for you when you are down, and you be like, ah, ah, I lost hope. Oh, how manage? How did this happen? How did this come? Like you'll be asking yourself rhetorical question that you can't even answer, not knowing that it's because of the seeds you have watered in the past. Happy birthday to Davido. On this day, I celebrate you. May all your wishes, your secret prayers come to pass. You don't already make money. Oh. All I'm saying is God should grant you long life in good health to be able to enjoy this money you have made so far. Amen, guys. Say a word of prayer and wish him a happy birthday. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gistlover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing up for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Messi Bye.